In this video, we are going to talk about three things. Number one, what is Instagram Reels? Number two, should you start uploading Reels? If yes, then why? And number three, do we really need it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is KOHL Karmakar, and on this platform I share about everything I love with everyone that I care for. And in today's video we are going to talk about the hot topic, Instagram Reels. A little backstory: Instagram shared its 15 seconds video sharing feature last year in somewhere in Brazil, and it was definitely planning to expand it globally, but the moment they saw this opportunity where Indian government banned 59 apps, including the most popular 15 seconds video sharing app called TikTok, Instagram saw its opportunity and expanded the 15-second video sharing feature called Instagram Reels to India as soon as possible. Huge applause for the business strategy. Now coming back to the video, what is Instagram Reels? So it's a new feature within the Instagram app where you can share 15 seconds long videos just like TikTok. So if you have ever visited the TikTok app, you know exactly how it works. In case you haven't, then it's a 15 seconds long video. You can add music. Although TikTok has its variety of features like adding transition, overlays, text, etc. Instagram provides only those options which were already available in your story version. And there's nothing new except for the music part. Now, where is it available? It can be seen on anybody's profile as a separate section, or it can be found in your explore page, or it can be found in the stories or posts from the people you follow if they share their own reels. Also, anybody and everybody can share each other's reels on their story, just like IGTV. Now, in order to upload a reel, you have to go to the story section, and at the very end you'll see live, story and reel. And by going to the reels section, you can either shoot a video or upload a pre-recorded video. Now that's about the uploading part. Now, do you need to upload Instagram Reel? Well, yes. If you are constantly posting on Instagram, be it photos, videos or posts, and you want to expand your Instagram audience, then you should definitely start uploading Instagram Reels. Reason number one, since Instagram Reels is a very new feature, the organic reach is very high than Instagram post or IGTV. Now, especially if you are a small creator and you're struggling with your growth, then this can be your time to shine. Reason number two, since it is shareable just like your IGTV, anybody and everybody can share your reel if they like it. So the chances are double for your reach. Now that definitely varies if anybody is actually sharing your reel, because that totally depends on what kind of content you put in. But the possibility is there. So that's the part why you should upload. Now let's come to what you should upload. Number one, you should upload the exact kind of content that you have been putting on your feed so far, because the reach of Instagram Reels is huge and it is going to be seen by unique people, which means strangers. Now, if they like your reels, chances are they are going to visit your profile. Now, if your profile has nothing to do with what you already uploaded on your reels, chances are they are not going to follow you. So in order to increase your following through the reels, you have to upload something similar to what your feed actually looks like. I'm sure a lot of you people who are coming from my Instagram are photographers and upload photographs of street, landscape, etc. They might be like, what should we upload? Well, a slideshow of your clicked pictures, soothing song as a background, and for the caption you can go for follow me for more such pictures. And don't forget to use appropriate hashtag. You can add motion to your still photographs and then upload it, or you can simply share behind the scenes. Like, there are so many possibilities, you just need to think outside of the box. And you should grab the opportunity as soon as possible, because you never know when Instagram decides to decrease the reach. And then there must be some people who were hardcore TikTok haters. So they might go like, we are not in favor of this feature and we are not going to use it. Well, guess what? when you enter into the social media world, when you expect it to become a part of you, basically when you try to become a content creator on the social media platform, you have to be ready for the changes and the evolution, because change is the only constant. So no matter whether you were in favor of TikTok or against it, this is how it is going to be. This is not going to change. And you might be against it, but people are still going to use it. So if you don't use it, you will be the one who will be at loss. No, I'm not forcing you to go and start uploading on Reels. It's just what I think. It's just my opinion, and yeah, I think you'll be left out. Now coming to the last part of this video, do we really need it? From the business aspect, as I mentioned before, huge applause for this business opportunity that Instagram grabbed, because it's a huge example of grabbing the right opportunity at the very right moment. But there are going to be positive and negative impact, because everything has a positive and a negative impact. Now, as for positive, all the TikTok users who had lost thousands and millions of followers, it is a new chance for them to again grow back and bounce back. And I'm really happy for that. Because the truth is, there were still some creative people and some creative content on the platform, keeping all the cringy things aside. But the negative part is gonna come from the hardcore TikTok haters. There is a 0.001% chance that some user might leave Instagram just because they introduced this new feature, which is a lookalike of TikTok. Also, there are chances that the cringy content that we have been avoiding from the TikTok platform might come back on this platform as well, which will also increase the amount of people leaving Instagram. Now you might be like, how is it gonna affect it? Well, the people who are leaving Instagram might be from your followers list. I think people with huge following won't be affected much, but small creators will be at risk. So what should you do about it? Number one, make sure you don't post cringy content. Number two, it's high time that you make a presence on different social media platforms, because just like TikTok got banned overnight, any application is at the same risk. So if you have been focusing on one social media platform for your whole life, then this is the chance to understand the risk we are bearing, the risk that is living with us constantly. No, this video is not to make you feel afraid of experimenting and putting your heart out there, but it's just what I analyzed from this whole situation. And as I mentioned in the very beginning, all these videos are made for the people I care, and if I care for you, I am going to tell exactly what I feel like. So this is the whole conclusion that I could make out of the situation. Yeah, you can call it my opinion, but I would like to mention it that the purpose of this video was not to harm anybody's mental peace or their beliefs. It's just my opinion for the people I care. With that has been said, I would like to close this video here. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below your opinion. I would love to hear your opinion, and I would like to have a conversation in the comment section below. So yeah, see you there, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.